the robot use the trickle ultrasonic sensors for its movement. So if we see here, so this is the automatic navigation for the robot. As we can see, if it detects obstacles, it will reverse and change its path, and it will try its best to use a clear path, to find a clear path and navigate its way autonomously in order to cover most areas. So next one is the manual control of the robot and also the camera. As we can see, you can control the robot easily using the joystick through the Blink app. So here is the alarm function for the robot, and here is the vacuum functionality for the robot. In here we will test the vacuum using some grain of rice, and as we can see, when it passes through the grain of rice, it will suck out most of the dirt. And here we can see most of the rice has been sucked. And for the removal of the dirt and debris that was sucked by the vacuum, so first we have to open the compartment, and here we can see all of the rice that has been sucked by the vacuum earlier, and we can safely remove it and throw it in the trash.